Hello everyone, my name is Camila and you're watching Style Prose. Today I'm going to show you guys how I maintain my blowouts when I work out. So if you're looking for techniques and tips on how to maintain this sort of hairstyle for a month with low heat, low maintenance, especially if you are really active in the gym, and keep on watching. Just want to put a little disclaimer out there. I know that hair is a very touchy, sensitive subject in the Black community, and I just want to say I am in no way, shape, or form trying to tell you how you should or shouldn't wear your hair. These are just techniques, a routine that I've developed, and I hope that it resonates with you in some way. Before we get into the video, I want to give kind of a background of my own hair. My hair texture, hair type is about 4A, 4B, somewhere in between there. I've never had any sort of perms, texturizers, or any sort of chemicals on my hair. The most that I've ever done is, some highlights and dyed my hair a couple of times, but that's it. Length of my hair is about the length you see here. It comes to around here. So although my hair is long, I still like to wear sew-ins or sewn-in extensions. It fits in with my lifestyle. It's just a quick, low maintenance hairstyle that I like. So in terms of the way that I like to wear my hair, although I am natural in the sense of I don't have any chemicals in my hair to alter the texture of my hair, I typically wear it kind of in this blown out hairstyle with a little bit of wave and curl on the ends. So now that you have an idea about my hair, let's get into the actual video of what I do before, during, and after my workouts to maintain this hairstyle. What I've learned is that taking care of your hair at night and being meticulous on how you put it up at night really impacts how long your hair is going to last. So two things that I like to do at night is I either put my hair into braids or I put my hair into twists, and I pin it up and put a scarf on and go to sleep. Obviously, if you have naturally curly hair and you straighten it and then you work out and you get sweaty and you sweat out of your head, that straight hair texture is going to change or revert back into the curly texture. Instead of constantly putting heat to try to fix your edges or whatever part of your hair that's reverted, what you can do instead is try to make everything blend as it already is. Let me show you what I mean by twists. So first what I do is I split my hair into two sections, and then I take one section and then I simply twist, and as I twist I gather more hair as I go down. So I'm twisting and gathering hair. Twist and gather. And I just keep doing this. Doesn't have to be perfect at all. And then, once I've twisted all the way down, I take this twist and wrap it around in a bun. And then I take a bobby pin or two and pin it up. And then I just do the same thing on the other side. So you just do that, throw a scarf or bonnet on. I alternate between the two, and go to sleep. And then when you wake up, okay, boom, bam, thank you, ma'am. Take the pins out, let it fall, and you see how it's all kind of together, and you just need to shake it out, really. And everything just blends together. I don't need to go in and okay, I gotta straighten this part because this doesn't blend with this, and I have to make this wavy and this, you don't have to do any of that. You just take the pins out and let it fall naturally. I find that putting my hair into braids or twists at night helps to make everything blend and be seamless the next morning. I don't need to add any heat or anything to fix it. You want more of that crimp texture if you do two braids. Take it out, it all blends together and no heat at all. And that's how one way you can maintain a curly look. Now obviously, you need to brush it out a little bit and style it however you want to, but just saying that doing that at night really helps to make everything last a lot longer, and you don't have to add any heat or anything like that. So that's what I do at night. I would suggest investing. It's really not an investment, it's very cheap, but getting some cotton headbands. So what I do is I put the cotton headband on, okay, and then when I'm working out, I don't just do a ponytail. You really have to do a bun. I mean, a ponytail is fine, but you see this? It could be touching my back. Let's say you're sweating back there and your hair touches your back, your hairstyle is going to be ruined. So you either need to have the ponytail like really high up or just a bun, which I think is the best way, like a bun like that, to where your hair is not touching any part of your body that could be sweating. And then also, when you're done working out, don't immediately just take the cotton headband off or take the ponytail down. Like, let your sweat dry, not just on your body, but even in your head. Like, you know, if you sweat out of your head, just let it dry. And then once it's dry, you can take this off and, you know, take the ponytail or the bun out. You know, I've done the workout, gotten out of the shower, and, you know, I have somewhere to go. Instead of using the flat iron, I like to utilize a brush and a blow dryer to kind of clean up. I've noticed that has also helped, you know, my straight hairstyles last a lot longer. Anything that I feel that needs to be cleaned up in terms of my hair, I know it is heat, but at least it's not as much heat as a flat iron, and so it's just a way to kind of, again, get your hair to blend the way you want it to blend and look the way you want it to look, and it's quick, doesn't use a lot of heat. In between washes or getting your hair done, dry shampoo is going to be your best friend as well. I'm going to demonstrate for you guys how I do it, but it's just a matter of sectioning off your hair and spraying some of the dry shampoo in between sections. I liked this Tresemme between washes. I use the volumizing kind, but I don't really get it for volume. I just get it because I like the smell. I feel like it gets the oil, the excess oils out of my hair, and it just works for me. I'm sure that there are other brands. If you guys have recommendations, let me know, but this is just what I use. At the end of the day, you know, if you want to get your blowouts, flat iron, silk press, whatever you want to call it, hair, your straight hair, if you want to get that to last a month with using minimal heat, you know, I would just suggest really making sure that at night you're taking care of your hair. Basically, before, during, and after your workouts, just being conscious of care of your hair. Because if you take care of it a little at a time, then you won't have to be using like a whole bunch of heat or, you know, extreme measures to try to, you know, get your hair to blend and all these things. This is what works for me. Of course, I let my hair breathe and wear it in its curly state, but since I wear it this way the majority of the time, then, you know, I want it to be healthy while I'm doing that. I hope this video was helpful. Hope you guys enjoyed it and it resonated with you. If you have any other questions, comments, concerns, or if you have suggestions for how you like to maintain your straight hair during workouts, then leave a comment and let me know. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.